When disaster strikes, reliable and knowledgeable assistance makes all the difference. At Edison Insurance Company, we work with preferred vendors, trusted professionals ready to restore your home quickly and efficiently. Our preferred vendors are contractors with an established relationship with Edison who ensure seamless service when you need it most. Using a preferred vendor is beneficial in streamlining the claims process and provides assurances that the quality of their work is top-notch. Our preferred vendors understand the claims process, allowing you to experience the benefits of a fast and fair process. Our preferred vendors offer board-up services, roof tarping, water mitigation, and tree removal. Using a preferred vendor means a faster and smoother claims experience because they understand our policies and procedures. Ensure a prompt, efficient, and seamless recovery process. Use one of Edison's preferred vendors when needed.